Oh, this guy.
He's probably dead, dude. I just want to see him come back out.
Dude, this thing's blowing up.
You know what I mean? Me and you puked all over space on his donuts.
Get closer. Is he in there?
No.
Is he swimming?
I don't know.
Does he fucking swim?
I don't know if he's in there.
He's flown, I think.
I saw him come out.
I saw his belly.
Where's he at? Oh God, you're vomiting.
There he is to the left. He's swimming!
I just put him back in the tank.
Look at him. Do you see him? Do you see him, Jeff?
Put him back in the tank. Put him back in the tank.
If I puke him, somebody's got to take him out and put him in the tank, dude.
He's fucking dead. He's fucking dead.
Hold on. That old bastard is coming up.
Adam, I have no idea what some of the stuff is you ate.
I don't remember what I ate. Pop-Tart, I bet that's what
There he is. See him?
Yeah, no shit, dumbass. From
Oh, he's swimming!
upside
I
down.
thought I saw him move and I read Houston.
Oh.
Is that wrong?
He's alive, dude.